Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with God of War Ragnarok. While playing or launching the game using the Steam, you get a black screen and you are not able to play the game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting step. First of all, go ahead, head over to settings menu. In this left pane, click on the option system and choose the option display over here. If your system or your monitor is supported by HDR, make sure you turn it off. Turn off the HDR and try to relaunch the game. Nextly is launch the game as an administrator only. To do so, launch the Steam, right click on your game and choose the option properties. Click on your installed files and choose the option browse, and you will find an exe file of God of War Ragnarok. Right click on that file and choose the option properties. Click on compatibility tab and checkmark the option run this program as an administrator. Apply and OK button. Now go ahead and relaunch the game. Thirdly is you need to launch the game only in the Windows mode. To do so, you need to change the user settings by again open the directory of the game, and over here simply search for a file with the name setting_config. You need to launch that particular file and find a setting with the name display mode, and instead of full screen, change it to Windows mode. These are the basic steps that help you fix out the issue of black screen while launching the game. If this doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the advanced troubleshooting steps. Go ahead, turn off your internet. Whichever internet you are using mobile hotspot, you are using Wi-Fi or an Ethernet connection, make sure you completely turn it off. After turning it off, launch your Steam, relaunch your game, and hopefully your game will start to launch and you will be able to play the game without a black screen. If this method doesn't help you fix out the issue, let's proceed with the third step. Go ahead, open up this PC, C drive, users folder, your own username, and here open a folder with the name saved games. Open God of War and 6144 folder, and here you will find a file with the name user preference. Go ahead, right click and choose the option delete. Once deleted, close it. Now go ahead, launch the game. As soon as you launch the game, screen started to show, and at the point of data collection, make sure you change it to limited only. Again I am telling you to change the data connection to limited. This will go ahead, launch the game and completely fix out the black screen issue. If this also failed, you need to create a new firewall rule. To do so, open Windows Security, click on the option Virus and Threat Protection. From this left pane, click on the option Firewall and Network Protection. Click on the option Advanced Settings. Now click on the option Inbound Rules and choose the option New Rule. Now here, select the program and click on the next button to continue. Now in the path, you need to provide the path of the game by choosing the option Browse. The path is generally located in C drive, program files x86, Steam, Steam apps, common, and here you will find a folder with the name God of War Ragnarok. Open that particular folder and you need to select that particular exe file. Once you find the file, click on the next button and choose the option block this connection. Then click on next, check mark all three options, then again next, and give it a name God of War Ragnarok. Click on the option finish. Once you have done so, go ahead, relaunch the game, and this will completely fix out the issue of black screen at launch while playing the game God of War Ragnarok. And for those who are using a cracked version of God of War Ragnarok, they need to reapply the rune crack, and this will instantly resolve your issue of black screen. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.